Okay, let's talk a little bit about waxed linen. I love the feel of the waxed linen threads, and it's waxed, which gives it a little bit of stickiness to it. So when you're weaving, it sort of holds itself in place. Waxed cotton cord is another popular basket weaving cord. Whatever reason, I just like the waxed linen cord better. But you should try both and see which one you like, and try other materials and see what you like. For me, I love waxed linen. Now the brand, people have asked me, what brand is this? It's Crawford Threads, and this is a 4-ply or 4-cord. And it comes in a lot of different colors, and I get mine at least 10 rolls at a time from Royal Wood. Wonderful owners, and they just seem to have all of the sizes and colors in stock every time I've ever ordered. And a very good price when you get about 10 rolls or more. Some of the colors you can see here, this is all 4-ply on the side. And they just have a wonderful array of colors. I like to work in the 4-ply the most because if you look on this card here, and I think they have this for a couple of dollars, the 4-ply comes in every color. That's what this column here is indicating. The other ones do not. Then there are also different sizes. You have the 2-ply, 3-ply, the 4 over here on the side we're talking about, 7 and 12. I haven't ever used the 3 because I have the 2 and the 4. I just have never used the 3. But again, it just doesn't come in as many colors as the 4 does, so that's why I like the 4. So that's where I get mine and some of the colors it comes in. And then I want to show you another thing here. It's made out of flax, flax fiber. And it really is sort of a natural process from a small manufacturer. So all of these are the same color, but you can see there are some slight variations. And even these two, I have both of these out because these are both 4-ply. But if you look closely, hopefully this comes through on the camera, they're not exactly the same color and they're not exactly the same size. There are going to be variations in this material. So if you have a big project, you want to buy everything you need all at one time for that project. And how do I know this one's not 3-ply? Because this is quite a bit smaller. Can you see that? This top one, it's quite a bit smaller, but I know it's not 3-ply because you can untwist it. And I can see right there, there's 4 of them. So it just varies. It's a natural material. And it's going to have little things and variations along the way. But these are the 4 basic sizes that I use. And let me see if I can get a close-up here to show you the difference in the diameter here between the 2, the 4, the 7, and the 12. So when you go from like the 12 to the 2, there is a huge, huge difference. Here, there's the 2 and the 12 right there. Huge difference. The smaller materials basically gonna make a smaller basket and take more time to weave. The larger material is sometimes harder to weave tightly because it's so large. But you just want to kind of get small samples of each of these and try them. And also, like I say, try the waxed cotton also and see which one you like the best. Etsy, there are a lot of people that sell, 10 yards at a time. Any basket supplier probably has some of the colors and some of the sizes. So you can just get some from whoever you normally order materials from, or just Google it and look up, basket supplies, and you'll find plenty of people that have it. Look for someone local if you can, support local, and have fun trying different things and seeing which one you like. All right, thank you. We'll see you in the next video.